Mastering metaphorical language in academic writing, making research papers more engaging. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on academic and professional vocabulary. Today, we're exploring a particularly interesting topic: metaphorical language in research papers. We often think of academic writing as dry and straightforward, but the use of metaphor can add depth, color, and engagement to your work. Before we dive into the specifics of using metaphorical language in research papers, let's take a quick refresher on what a metaphor is. A metaphor is a figure of speech that describes an object or action in a way that isn't literally true, but helps explain an idea or make a comparison. They help to create vivid, memorable images in the reader's mind, making complex ideas more understandable and engaging. In research papers, metaphorical language plays a crucial role. While it's essential to maintain academic rigor and precision, a well-placed metaphor can make your work more accessible and interesting. Metaphors can clarify complex ideas, illustrate points, and make your writing more engaging. However, they must be used sparingly and judiciously. Remember, the goal is to aid understanding, not to confuse or mislead your reader. To understand this better, let's consider some examples. 1. The Internet as an information superhighway. Here, the Internet is not literally a highway, but this metaphor helps us understand its role in fast and efficient information exchange. 2. The brain as a computer. This metaphor provides a simplified way to discuss the complexity of the human brain and its processing abilities. 3. Data mining. In this metaphor, data isn't literally mined from the ground, but this phrase paints a picture of deep, labor-intensive extraction of valuable information from a vast, raw source. Each of these metaphors simplifies complex concepts, making them more digestible for readers. Let's now discuss some tips for using metaphorical language effectively in your research papers. 1. Simplicity. Keep your metaphors simple and easy to understand. You don't want to confuse your reader with overly complex metaphors. 2. Relevance. Ensure your metaphor is relevant to the topic at hand. Irrelevant metaphors can distract and confuse your reader. 3. Precision. Your metaphor should accurately represent the idea you're trying to convey. Inaccuracy can lead to misunderstandings. 4. Subtlety. Your metaphor should seamlessly fit into your work. It should not stick out or disrupt the flow of your writing. And there we have it. Metaphorical language can be a powerful tool in academic writing, helping to bring your research papers to life. It can make complex concepts more understandable and your writing more engaging. Remember to keep it simple, relevant, precise, and subtle. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your metaphorical language skills. We hope you find this video helpful in making your academic writing more engaging and impactful. See you next time.